What is up, guys? Welcome to another video on my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. JML here, and let's go ahead and get started with the next chapter on the Ghost of Tsushima game.
Taka's counting on us.
I love the kid, but this is too dangerous. It will never work.
We'll make it work.
This the samurai?
You can call me Lord.
Yeah, I'm the samurai boy. What's up?
Forgive me, my lord. I am Kenji, upstanding merchant, renowned sake brewer.
And the best swindler on the island. That's why he's going to help us.
Like the swindler. So she just surrounds herself with people like they could be a little useful, but they're basically just like small criminals.
Or a single delivery of sake.
It'll never work.
Get your sake ready. We'll discuss the plan on the move.
Let's have a drink first. Talk this through.
That guy's face though, man.
Now, Kenji,
One of them lazy bastards. Alright, so this is the broken blacksmith quest.
When we get close to the town, you can hide in the cart with the sake.
The Mongols won't search it?
Not anymore. It's the same sake delivery I always sell them. They love my dars. Dars!
Huh, basically he's been getting the Mongols drunk then.
Been doing business with the
That's how he's been surviving, huh? Yeah, right there, yeah.
Let me keep my head.
He gets them drunk and they keep him alive.
All set. You sure you want to go through with this?
anything for Taka.
How bad is the occupation in Azumo Bay?
A few people fought back. The ones left alive are prisoners or slaves.
But you never saw Taka?
No. But someone's been working the forge the past few days. Maybe it's your brother.
How long have you two known each other?
Since I was too young to know better.
Okay, so we got some childhood friends here
You were
also.
my first batch.
Tasted like piss, but it was cheap.
For a while, I tried to get Taka's help selling it. Turned out he was too soft.
People told him sob stories, and he'd give them sake, free of charge.
Alright, so the Taka guy, you know, sounds like a good person. This guy's like, oh, he was too soft.
You two better get in the car.
There aren't many. I can handle them.
No, Jill. Taka is so close. Please.
All right.
Alright, so this guy's gonna make me hide in this cart like a little bitch. But, alright, let's do it for Taka, I guess.
Get ready. They might search the car.
You said they don't do that.
At the town gates. I've never seen them this.
Man, this guy should have just let me take these dudes on. They're over here, like, pillaging people and stuff. Look at them. Just messing with them for no reason.
Dars! Dars for Azamo Bay!
Hurry up!
Dars. Yeah, I bet you want to get drunk, bro.
Just a little farther.
What was all that screaming?
Doesn't matter. Keep it down.
Is that what Taka's going through?
Your brother's a skilled blacksmith. They won't treat him like that.
You don't know that.
Yeah, look at them. They're over there just messing with people. Man. He should have let me just get rid of them, but I understand the game.
We're getting quiet.
Let's just get rid of the ones in this fort for sure. They're just like drunkenness, tipsy now. Alright, so we are in Azamo Bay.
I can't believe this.
Mongol territory is basically taken over. Look, just put everything on fire and everything.
Somebody must have pissed off the Mongols.
These
They brought
animals.
them to the town. This is where we part ways.
Keep the Mongols drunk and distracted.
Yeah, bro, keep him drunk. Tell him some jokes.
Kenji.
Do some faces.
Taka's waiting for us. Let's go.
Once we're done, I'll meet
Alright, let's do this. Yuna, let's do it.
We need a van vantage point to scout ahead.
This way.
Remember, no alarms. We do this quietly.
All the prisoners suffer. Got it.
Let's go rescue Taka so he can make me a weapon.
By the gate.
He's in charge. Slaver.
Bastard.
He's inspecting the prisoners like they're horses.
He might lead us.
Yeah, that is kind of fucked up. He's just taking a look at him like, he's good. Keep him working. Let's get rid of this guy. Let's follow him. No, 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 no. Don't see me. There we go. Look at him, man. Just killing people for no reason. Yeah, enjoy while y'all can, guys. I'll be back. I'll be back after this mission just to destroy y'all.
He's probably fine. He wouldn't try to run.
Let's go.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah. You like killing people, huh? So do I. Okay, so what I do here, he's gonna get away. Okay, I can see him from here. Actually, I gotta find a way around all this. Alright, come on, slowly. Doesn't seem like he can see me or hear me, but okay, see, somebody's looking at me. Oh no, don't.
I'm with you.
Alright, so what do I do here? Wait, how am I supposed to follow him if this guy's just gonna see me? What? Wait, did I lose? Yeah. Oh my god. I guess I gotta go on the buildings or something. Alright, so this time I'm gonna follow him on top of the building, not down there. Since down there the other guy sees you. Yeah, there we go. See, on the roof. I guess he's an idiot, so he can't look up. But anyways, let's keep following this guy. Alright, let's jump to the other building. Let's see what this guy's up to.
What is problem?
Your blacksmith, Taka. His work is shoddy. I think he's sabotaging you.
Oh, I see.
Taka's here.
He is only blacksmith.
This guy's like tattling on him. Oh my god.
Much better work.
I can
Oh, okay, I see now why. Yes.
get rid of him. But be ready.
I guess, you know, if you're a slave, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, but it's kind of messed up.
You killed
Trying to get his own killed. Alright, I'm just gonna try to go behind these guys. Let's go. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't see me. No. Nobody's here. There we go. Okay. Alright, so the guy went like around those two people that were down there. I'm gonna try to see if I can go around them or something. I'm not sure right now. Yeah, see, because they're there. Ah, there you go, buddy. Take that.
The slaver.
Okay, so here he goes right here. Alright, so let's follow him, see what he does. Oh, he was about to kill this dude. Good thing we followed him over here. Ooh, ooh. She's not playing about her brother. All covered in blood and stuff. I'd be scared too. It's probably scared of you, lady.
You're safe now.
We need to move.
And then this demon shows up next. Taka's probably all super confused.
This is Lord Sakai.
I'm a samurai, bro. Don't worry. I got you. I'll help you.
I need you to trust me, Taka. I need your help. I'll try, my lord.
And yes, guys, I changed into the samurai suit. You know, I'm not with the straw hat people anymore, so I figured I'd get something more like stronger. I was getting killed a little bit too often with that without the armor. So this armor is basically for defense. So it raises your defense a lot. So you get killed less, or you kill, you know, you can fight longer,
They found the
basically.
slaver.
They'll kill us. We need to hide.
You can climb those crates.
And I went ahead and upgraded this one. So that's why I get the whole half moon horn, whatever that is. Looks cool anyways.
Where are we going? Kenji's waiting for us at the crossroads.
Alright, so that drunk bastard is waiting for us. Alright, let's go.
Out alive.
Let's go to the crossroad. I'm really enjoying this game, guys. If you guys haven't picked up this game, go ahead and pick it up like 10 minutes ago. You're supposed to already have it. Check this game out, guys, if you don't have it.
I'm right here.
Alright, now let's do one of these standoffs with these Mongols. Alright, bro, you sure you want to do this? Alright. You too. Alright, the fun begins. Of course, I gotta start with the archers, but they're not letting me. Oh, this guy right here. He knows I'm going for those archers. Come here. Come here. Yeah, you did. Oh, you're a lone archer? Nah, bro. Next time, pick up a sword. Alright, so I don't want to go in there because it's like a camp full of Mongols, so... Oh yeah, they're over there actually. Where do I go though? Alright, so it is in this area. It's not there though, that's like a camp or something. Wait, so... That's the crossroads right there though, no? No, oh well, no, the wind is taking me over here. Let's check this part out over here. Okay, well this guy spotted me, so do I have to fight a lot of them? I hope not. Let's go somewhere up here, I guess. You are now leaving. What? So where did I go? It's telling me to go up here, though. Okay, so I'm gonna get on the road here, and then I'm just gonna follow it up the road. Maybe that's what they're telling me to go to do.
Horses.
Oh crap! More bongles.
Stay down.
It's Kenji! Taka! You made it!
Were you followed?
No.
What? Drunk man made it out of there alive? Okay.
We should go.
I see
We
you,
have to put
man.
some distance between us and Azumarill.
Probably got some tricks up his sleeve and shit. Alright, let's go.
Haven't seen a Mongol since dawn. I think we're clear.
We need to figure out where to go next.
There's a place up ahead where you can see most of Izuhara.
Everyone alright?
I could use a drink and some sleep.
I can help with one of those.
Taka, you've been quiet.
First time in days, I haven't felt like I was.
Yeah, that must suck to be held like as a prisoner, man. I got you talking. Now we're gonna go ahead and get some food, get some drinks. You know,
My lord, I am grateful.
the good stuff in life.
Kenji and my sister.
I owe Yuna my life.
We have something in common.
Yeah, I like Yuna's character too. She's actually pretty helpful. And this, you know, drunk guy. I don't know what to make of him yet, but at least he helped in this episode.
I'm not built for riding all night.
But we could probably
Komatsu.
say that he's not gonna help, you know, raid the castle where the uncle is. So, but we'll see.
The best on the island.
Good place to make tools. Maybe something to get Jin over the walls of Castle Canada. What do you say, Taka?
My lord, I'll do anything.
All right, so Taka's the one that's gonna help me out with.
Taka,
So I'm guessing it's gonna be
get
Yuna,
some rest.
you know, her brother Taka. The drunk guy, I'm pretty sure is not gonna be there. But at least, you know, we're building a small team now.
How are you doing?
I have my brother back.
He's shaken up. Can you get him to Komatsu in one piece?
With food and rest, he'll be fine.
Your brother wasn't the only prisoner in Azumo Bay,
You're going to save them.
and make their captors suffer.
Man, Jin and me. You see, Jin and me, we're on the same page. I was thinking of going back
What's
there
Forge? I'll join
and
you.
finishing them off. He's also thinking the same.
Thank
I like Jin. Well, guys, that is it for the broken blacksmith. This was a pretty easy quest, you know, pretty much just rescuing her brother. I am getting some upgrades here. Your legend grows. Yes, give me that unyielding wind. Whatever that means. Well, I do get more health, so thank you. Alright, so I get to pick another weapon. I think I'm gonna go with those sticky bombs from last time. Last time I didn't choose the sticky bombs, but where was that? Yeah, so it's this one right here. Oh my god, that's sweet. Yes, I'm taking that for sure. Man, this was more for just, you know, nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the sticky bomb. Throw some sticky bombs at people.
It'll stick to anyone.
Blow them motherfuckers up.
Escaping the blast.
Yeah, that looks so cool. Okay, so with this one, you don't get affected by bombs. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and upgrade that also. Ooh, that's nice too. For the bombs. Oh, for the throwing bombs, not the sticky bombs. Yeah, this one's nice. I think I'm gonna get this one. And I have 3 more, so yeah, I'm gonna get this one also. Okay, so this standoff one, it makes me... I think the standoff one said it makes me do it 3 times. And then this one is kind of just for helping you kind of restore yourself. Oh, this was kind of useless. Oh, this was Last of Us type of shit. Useless too. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the standoff. It lets you kill 3 enemies, I think, at once. It's kind of funny that we have so much stuff that's not, that's not unlocked yet. It kind of makes me feel like the game is barely starting, and that's good. That's a good thing. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of this episode. Thank you so much again for clicking on this video. My name is JML. Please subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. I'll be back guys in the next episode.